YouTube is one of the most widely used media platforms today, with thousands and thousands of creators. Mark Edward Fishbach is one of those creators, and is known as Markiplier on YouTube. He is 32 years old. He received the Shorty Award for Best in Gaming, and he was born in Honolulu, Hawaii, to his mother, Dee Fishbach. What does he do? He spends his time on YouTube creating various hilarious videos involving gaming, animatics, and much more. He's also been known to be a source of comfort and help to his subscribers by even going as far as to help people who have suicidal tendencies just by helping them laugh. These are some of the people he has reached through his content. Certainly not all of them. There are several of these comments that are around the same type of comments of him helping different people with all the problems that they've dealt with life. This person in particular got help from him during a time where their mother was in the hospital. And this person even got help from the videos because Mark posted some suicide awareness videos when this person lost 2 friends to suicide. On top of all that, if that wasn't enough to convince you that he is a good role model, he hosts charity live streams. He encourages people to donate to whatever charity it is, and even donates himself, sometimes thousands of dollars. He hosts these live streams and plays games to keep people entertained during the live stream. He competes in challenges with friends and sets donation milestones. And if he reaches those milestones, he keeps people donating by promising to play a specific game or adding a handicap to the challenges, whether it's to himself or to his friends. He also sometimes writes the names of the donors where everyone watching the live stream can see it. He's raised $2.6 million in charity for charities such as Doctors Without Borders, Depression and Bipolar Support Alliance, Make-A-Wish, and many, many more, as you can see here. To conclude, Markiplier is not only a YouTuber, but he is a hero, helping people struggling with mental health issues and any other issues they're going through, as well as raising money for many different charities to help people in need. It's not hard to see that Mark is a good role model for all his subscribers.